Welcome back to Tekno Point. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the world of acoustic brilliance with the Sony WF-1000XM5. Get ready for an in-depth exploration of these true wireless earbuds that redefine the boundaries of audio technology. Elegance in design, power in performance. The WF-1000XM5 brings forth a plethora of enhancements in design and performance, delivering a listening experience beyond compare. Physically, these top-tier buds boast a smaller, rounder shape with memory foam ear tips, providing superior passive noise cancellation. The noise-canceling ANC system has seen improvements, fine-tuning audio settings to balance the previous model's treble. If you have petite ear canals, the feel and fit might not be everyone's preference. Perfect for commutes and travel, ideal for your daily commute or jet-setting adventures, these lightweight buds are easy to take on the go. The ANC system excels at blocking out the hum of bus engines, and with ANC activated, they consistently last over 8 hours on a single charge. Additional charges are available if needed, albeit at a slight extra cost. Keep in mind that not everyone may find the memory foam ear tips comfortable, especially if you have smaller ear canals. Pros: exceptional noise isolation performance, well-crafted and secure fit, tailored for sports and fitness. While lacking stability fins, the WF-1000XM5 buds stay put during intense workouts. Designed with finesse, they boast an IPX4 rating, ensuring survival against splashes. The prolonged battery life holds up even during rigorous park runs. However, the memory foam ear tips might cause fatigue in your ear canals if not snugly fitted, or if your ear canals are on the smaller side. Pros: IPX4 rated for water resistance, well-crafted and secure fit. Dive deeper into features. Advanced noise cancellation. The improved ANC system effectively minimizes external noises, creating an immersive listening experience. Customizable touch controls. Easily manage your music, calls, and ANC settings with intuitive touch controls on each earbud. Adaptive sound control. Smart sensors detect your activity, traveling, walking, or sitting, adjusting the ambient sound settings accordingly. Speak-to-chat technology. The earbuds automatically pause playback when you start speaking and resume when you stop. High-quality audio codecs. Supports LDAC for high-resolution audio streaming, ensuring top-notch sound quality. Setting the benchmark in the category. This award-winning product is setting the pace in the category, a feat challenging even for competitors like Apple and Bose. Claiming up to 8 hours of continuous playback and 24 hours with the charging case, the WF-1000XM5 delivers. In our tests, it lasted an impressive 9 hours and 32 minutes on a single charge, surpassing its predecessor by over an hour. Charge it via USB-C or conveniently place the case on a key wireless charging pad. Ready to take your audio experience to new heights? Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay in tune with the latest tech trends here on our channel.